Hey guys, it's Glen. Sorry, video I want to show you. This is Appimize. Basically, it's if you're in the local market, you want to be grabbing this because it can make local sites into mobile apps really quickly, like in a matter of 2 minutes. What I want to do is I want to show you the video of the demo, and then I'm going to show you the sales page because you'll want to jump on this now because they're going to be doing a webinar where you could actually win a copy of it. They're going to be giving away cash, and they're going to give you a total demonstration of the whole product. So let me grab the video here. Let me find it so you can watch the demo. Again, it's called Appimize. While we're doing this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and then we will definitely you'll get notified when I make new videos. So here is Appimize. So watch this, guys. Watch. This is very cool.
Alright, so I'm going to log in now and demonstrate the insane power of Appimize, and in less than 2 minutes you're going to see me build a stunning mobile app for a local business who can charge $1,000 to, including monthly residuals, and you don't need any coding skills or experience. I'm going to show you how simple it really is. Now what I'm going to do to make this even more challenging is put a countdown timer here so you can see how I'm able to do all this literally in under 2 minutes flat. Okay, so I'm logged into the dashboard and you'll instantly notice it's all clean, simple to navigate and very user friendly. Now I'm going to pick a template, and as you can see there's 100 stunning ready-made templates to choose from in the hottest niches. Fully customizable with unlimited flexibility to create the perfect app that people would happily pay thousands of dollars for. Alright, so let's start the clock. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose this barber template. There's a nice preview of the app before I select. So I just give my app a name and then click next. Okay, stop the clock. As you can see, it literally took me a few seconds to do that. I'm now on the live interactive app editor, which allows you to customize and build your app the way that you want in just mere minutes. The point and click technology makes it so easy and fast to create jaw-dropping apps like a pro. Now as you can see, for this barber template everything is done for me. I only need to change out the logo and a few other fields like the business name, location and contact info, and then it's done. Now moving on to step 2, I just need to customize the app to my style. So let's start the clock again. So I'll just edit a few text fields here, changing the barbershop name to JJ's Barber, then change the background image, and then add a YouTube video in, and there's full flexibility to be able to change everything to how I need it. Okay, stop the clock. As you can see, it's so easy and intuitive for me to customize this template to my client, and there's so much more you can do with Appimize that will blow you away. You can easily add text, pictures, videos, audios, opt-in forms and other powerful features to your app without worrying about any code. Appimize is 100% newbie friendly and super simple to use. Okay, so I'm going to start the clock again, and this time I'm going to add a booking system to this so that people can book their appointment times automatically through the appointment planner, saving time for the business owner to do it all manually. Okay, stop the clock. As you can see, in about a minute I was able to fully customize my mobile app and see all my changes in this stunning live interactive preview editor. You know, there is so much more awesome features that I haven't even covered here for the sake of demonstration purposes, as I wanted to show you how easy and simple it is to get up and running fast. You can point and click elements with ease. It would have costed you thousands of dollars to hire out a developer to create a mobile app like this. However, Appimize pumps them out for you with just a few clicks. Alright, so all I need to do now is click publish and I'm done. And since Appimize is built upon PWA technology, it bypasses the app approval process and allows you to instantly share your app with everyone without any restrictions or limits. With other app builders, you have to go through a long approval process and your app just gets lost with all the other millions of apps. as you can see, I now have a fully responsive mobile app that works and views perfectly across all devices, ready to go viral. I could easily charge this barbershop client $1,000 to $2,000 for just 2 minutes worth of work. Pretty mind-blowing, huh? So now moving on to the last step on engaging app users. Now Appimize has push notifications built in, so you can experience open rates of up to 90% by instantly mass broadcasting push notification messages to all the people that have downloaded your app. So let's start the clock again, and all I do is click on notification, enter in my title, message, upload the icon image, and then enter in a link. This could be a promotional link or anything that you want. I could then send this right now to everyone or schedule this to be sent at a specific time and date. Click schedule and I'm done. So let's stop the clock, and boom, we're done. My app is now live, fully functional and ready to be used by my client. I'm pretty sure this barbershop will happily pay me month after month as they start getting more customers in using the app and making bookings. On top of all that, Appimize will host the mobile apps for you at no extra cost. Other softwares charge you yearly subscriptions and monthly fees just to host one app alone. So you could even charge clients a monthly maintenance fee on top, since Appimize handles the hosting for you. Honestly, it cannot get any easier than this. Look what I've done in just 2 minutes. I've gone out there just as promised, created a stunning mobile app for a barbershop, fully customized, published and engaged to produce results. And that's just the insane power of Appimize. Simply pick a template, customize to your style, hit publish, and your app is live. No coding skills or Appstore approvals required. So you don't ever have to worry about paying sky-high monthly fees on other useless app builders and services. You know, wasting many weeks and months of your time buying 5 different tools to do what Appimize does all in one. You know, trial and error and hoping to get results, or wasting money on developers, designers and freelancers. Appimize does all the heavy lifting for you with just a few clicks of the mouse, so you can focus on enjoying your life.
All right, guys, that's pretty cool. Let me just jump over and show you the login for the webinar that you definitely want to be on. So you're going to be, click the link below, you're going to be taken to here. This is Create Stunning Mobile Apps in the hottest niche. This is going to be, let's see, it's 12 o'clock. It's in about 2 hours. They're going to be doing this webinar from when I'm doing it. If not, if you're watching this at a later date, you'll probably just watch the review or you'll get taken to the sales page. If you are in the local market, agency market, this is definitely something that you can use. This is an amazing product. So I've been looking for something like this for quite a while. I'm looking at the back end. It looks great. Let me just go through. They're going to have some sale prices. I think on the webinar is the best thing because you're going to get some discounts. But even still, the light version is 47. The commercial license is 67. You're going to have a choice of those two. With the upsells will be basically an agency marketing kit, which will be a one-time 67, and then a templates club, which you would have like $20 a month or $30 a month, and you would get new templates every single month, or you buy it for the year. And then the reseller's license, so you could white label it. Now those are the OTOs. So definitely check this out, guys. Again, if you're in the local market, this is Appimize. Basically, you're taking any sort of website that's out there, any person's website, and if they don't have a website, then it's easy. You can get a template and you can build it for them and then get them into the mobile app. So definitely check out the link below and make sure you hit the subscribe button. And this has been the Appimize walkthrough, demo, review, and bonuses. So check it out. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.